Hello everyone, my name is Tariq and I am civil engineer by profession and currently I am doing PhD in civil engineering. My research area includes mostly Python programming and application of machine learning and artificial intelligence in civil engineering. So today I will show you some plugins which I have developed for one of the company, a structural designing company, to automate their various tasks. As you may have know that in civil engineering, most of the time we have repetitions in our project. For example, we want to do some mixed design, so there is a lot of repetition of tests and many things. Similarly, if we are doing some structure analysis or structural design or structural drafting, we have a lot of repetitions. So in this project, what I have done many task automation. For example, whenever we start a structural designing or structural drafting project, we first of all decide about the grid, and then we also have the levels according to the requirements of the clients. Then we create footing on those grids, columns, uh, beams, and slabs as well. So this is the plugin which I have developed, which will automate these tasks for us. So in today's video I will show you the plugins which I have developed and how automatically we can create a full-fledged project within few seconds. So first of all, let's start from the grid. Say the grid size along x-axis is 20 and along y-axis is 20 as well, and the grid is 5 by 5. So you can see that in few seconds we have created our grid. Now we can create footing along this grid. I have selected all the grids, but you can select few grids if you have different types of footings. So our grid is selected. Let's make it sure. Now I will add footing. So just like the grid, I can add the footing in just few steps. Say the grid size is 72, the footing size, the length is 72, width is 48, and its thickness is 1 feet or 12 inches. Now you can see that in just few seconds I have added the footing along all the grid points. Similarly, I can um, I can add the columns along those grid points by following the same procedure and using the plugin which I have developed. The floor height is 10 for the column height. Let's start from the 0 level. Say the width of the column is 12 and breadth is also 12. Now it will take just few seconds to create the columns. Now if we go to 3D view, you can see that the columns are generated. So let's repeat the same procedure for the beams. Let's select only the grid points. These grid points are added for the purpose that if we have different types of columns or footings at different grids, we can select only those grid and have different types of beams, columns, or footing. Let's say the beam size is also 12 by 12, and now you can see I have added the beams as well. Just wait for a few seconds. I think now you can see beams are also added. Let's add the slabs also, and that will be all for today's video. Now let's add the slab as well in the same way. Floor height 0, floor 10, floor 1, and thickness is say 6 inch. Now you can see in just few seconds I have created one floor, including the beams, column, footing as well with the proper dimension. So in this way I have done automation of all these structural components, and you can create the whole project in just few seconds or minutes if you have this plugin. So let me know in next video. I will show you the coding of the Python coding which I have done for this plugin, and I will explain each of them step by step to you in coming video. Please let me know if you are interested in the comments below. Thank you. See you next time. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.